Hi guys, RETROCENGO here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I just got a little donation that I want to share with you guys because a couple of days ago I actually wrote on my Facebook channel that I was looking for buttons for Amiga 3000 eject, disk drive eject buttons. They're not easy to find, they're not for sale anywhere. I made a search, I couldn't find anything, so I just wrote there that I was looking for one of these eject buttons. And I just love this community. I love the way you guys treat me because instantly one of my subscribers, Jacob, he wrote to me, dude, no problem, I will just send you a handful of them and you can just try it out. 2 hours later, a guy called Philip, he wrote the same thing. But I said, yes, thank you to Jacob, and I just got this letter here. A beautiful donation. Tak skal du have, Jacob. Det simpelthen så sødt af dig. Now, Jacob is he sells Eject drives, and I have made few videos with the Eject drives for the Amiga, one with the Amiga 3000 actually, and when I got asked how, where, installing software and all that, I always tell them to contact Jacob, and Jacob sells the Eject drives to them with USB, all set up with thousands of games, and sometimes you can actually send your Amiga to him and he will install the Eject drive and everything. He's such an awesome guy. So again, thank you, Jacob. It's great. So we have, oh damn, we have a lot of them. Now we have these 3D printed. Oh, they actually look nice. I was a bit nervous about this little thing here at the corner, but they look nice. So let's find a drive for the Amiga 3000. I have none of these in my Amiga 3000s, and actually I use Amiga 2000 drives with the eject button built in because I hadn't had this. So let's just find one and install one of these guys. Alright. As you can see, we got an Amiga 3000 here with two disk drives. The way these work is you actually, when you push it on disk, these drives are just a tad different. I mean, you can use Amiga 500, Amiga 2000 disk drives. They're pretty identical. But on these ones, the metal here on the bottom gets pushed out. So if we put in a disk here, my utility disk. As you can see, let's just let it read my GVP installer. And when you want to push it out, you press here, and as you can see, it's the whole metal plate that gets pushed out. Again, the same thing over here. It's the whole metal thing. So let's just try to install one of these, and yeah. While we're, I just want to say, I recently got a really big donation, and in this donation there were this mouse. It was new in box from Eric, and it just says Amiga here. It was new in box, guys, and I'm telling you, this mouse is great. Now I have filmed it. I have made a thank you for donation video. I have done all of it. I have got 5.5 terabyte of fully filmed Amiga stuff and Commodore 64 stuff, you know, but 5 terabyte, I have to edit so much, and it will come. I also have, I've got donated one of these A530 Turbo thingies, a sidecar for the Amiga 500 and all that. Great stuff, guys. So it will come up. Subscribe and you'll see later. Now let's try to install one of these here and see how it goes. I don't know. It looks nice, but he said that he could print in something called ABS and PLA, and one of these were not good quality, or he could make it with some kind of stronger plastic. So the way this one works is, as you can see, this one goes on the back side. This one goes to the back side, and I think this one locks. I have never had something like this before, so this is the first time. So let's insert a disc and push out this metal part. And as you can see here, let's move the camera just a tad closer, guys, so you can see what's going on here. Right? Like this. All right, so we have one of these. So let's push on this side and lock with this one. I'm just guessing, guys. Look at this hole here. I think it is like this. And then just gently. Bear with me. Oh, it's truth. Oh no. Oh no. Look at this, guys. Ah, dead one. Let's try this one. All right, take two. We'll try it again. I will support it here when I push it. Nope. It feels like it's too wide here. Come on, dude, come on. Oh man. Maybe it's my drive. Oh. Nope. It's just too thick. Ah, there we go. All right, this one is nice. So let's be gentle again. And I mean, Jakob said that. All right, he said that he could print in another quality of plastic. This one is dead. This one is dead. This one was too wide, so let's try this one. Jacob, I still love you, man. No problem at all. Okay, I have to be really gentle now. Okay. Maybe this is why I can't find any of these. Okay. We'll try another one. Okay. Come on, work. Okay, let's try without this part first, gently. Come on, gently. Yes, gently. Now this one works, so we will just push this one in now. I will be so gentle. Just please, God, one of them, let it work. I mean, look at this, guys. I'm so gentle. So this one is in. And I will just, come on. Werk. Oh, I can't make myself pushing in it harder, but oh, come on. It will crack if I push it any harder. I'm feeling it. All right. I hope you're still with me, guys, because we have to make this work, you know? Come on! Oh my God. I can see when I look from a top view that when this one is in, this part should be like this, but it's bent, so it won't come in, and I will not bend the middle part here, nothing like that. So I have to try again and again until I succeed, I think. I hope. Again, if you guys, if you have the original ones, please let me know. I will buy a handful of them from you. No. Why, God? Why? Come on. Oh, yes! No! It went in. Yeah. Let's try this one. Come on, gently now. There we go. No. We have 3 left. Am I doing something wrong, guys? Am I? No, if you look at how it's, I mean, I think the plastic is just too stiff. It won't, it has to bend a couple of, yeah, you know what I mean. But if you just give it a gentle push, it will just snap off. But nothing to do, guys. I have 3 more to try. If it works, then it works. If it doesn't, then I still love getting this awesome donation. But let's try it. Nothing else to do, guys. Okay, the hold is right here. Support it here. I'm gentle. Come on, easy now, easy now. No. I know if I push it just a tad more, it will snap off. So I will write to Jacob and ask if he can print this in the other plastic quality. I don't remember the names, the difference, but this is not the way to go. But the design wise, it looks great. So yeah, I won't give some more force because I know it will crack. So let's call this one a video and say this was not a success, but at least we listened to some super frog in the background, guys. Until next time, have a blast playing on your Amiga, and I hope to see you on the next video. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.